Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about exploring the continent of Africa. European exploration of the sub-Saharan African begins with the age of discovery in the 15th century, pioneered by the Kingdom of Portugal under Henry the Navigator. The Cape of Good Hope was first reached by Bartholomew Dias on 12th March 1488, opening the important sea route to India and Far East. But European exploration of Africa itself remained very limited during 16th and 17th century. The European powers were content to establish trading posts along the coast while they were actively exploring the colonizing of New World. Exploring of the interior Africa was thus most left by Muslim slave traders who, tandem with the Muslim conquest of Sudan, established far-reaching network and supported the economy of a number of Sahelian kingdoms during 15th to 18th centuries. Now we are going to learn about exploration of Africa. Exploring continent of Africa. At the beginning of 19th century, European knowledge of the geography of the interior sub-Saharan Africa was still rather limited. Expeditions exploring southern Africa were made during 1830s and 1840s, so that around midpoint of 19th century and the beginning of colonial scramble of Africa, the unexplored parts now limited to what would turn out of the Congo Basin and African Great Lakes. The heart of Africa remained one of the last remaining blank spots on world maps of the later 19th century. It was left for 19th century. European explorers, including those searching for the famed sources of the Nile, notably John Hanning's Peak and Sir Richard Burton, David Livingstone and Henry Morton Stanley, to complete the exploration of Africa by the 1870s. After this general geography of Africa was known, it was left to further expeditions during the 1880s and onwards, notably those led by Oscar Lenz, to flesh more detail such as the continent geological makeup. Location size of Africa. Africa is the second largest and second most populous continent after Asia. It stretches from 37 degree 21 north latitude to 34 degree 51 south latitude and from 17 degree 33 west longitude to 51 degree 27 east longitude. It spreads over an area about 30.36 million square kilometer. The equator passes through the middle of Africa and cuts into two equal halves. It is only continent through which the major latitudes such as Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn pass. Its north-south extend 7,623 km and east-west extend 7,260 km. The prime meridian passes near Accra, the capital of Ghana, in the west of this continent. Africa is located in all four hemispheres. The great explorer David Livingstone and Stanley were the first to explore the interior part of this continent. The sources reveal that the early human ancestors have lived in Africa for more than 5 million years. Africa, nicknamed as the mother continent as it was the oldest inhabited continent on earth. The diverse geographical conditions of the continent is the main reason for heterogeneous culture and home of several ethnic groups in Africa. Physiographic divisions of Africa. Africa consisted a mixture of landforms such as mountains, plateaus and plains. Africa consists of mixture of landforms such as mountains, plateaus, and plains. The following are the 8 major physical divisions of Africa. Madagascar is the major island of Africa. Sahara. The first world famous Sahara Desert is located in the northern part of Africa. It is one of the largest deserts in the world. It has an 9.8 million square kilometer. The Sahara is bordered by Atlantic Ocean in the west, Red Sea in the east, the Mediterranean Sea in the north, and Sahel in the south. The desert covers an area of 11 countries: Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, and Western Sahara, Sudan, and Tunisia. Sahara Desert. It consists of many topographical features such as mountains, plateaus, edges, oases, sand, and gravel covered plains. Salt flats, basins, and depressions. Mount Kouzi, an extinct volcano in Chad, is the highest point of Sahara with 3,445 meters, and the Qattara Depression in Egypt is the Sahara deepest point. Nile and Niger rivers run through the desert. Atlas Mountains lies in the northwest of Africa. It is young fold mountains. It separates the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. The highest point is Mount Toubkal, 4,167 meters. The desert comprises much of North Africa, excluding the fertile region on the Mediterranean Sea coast, the Atlas Mountain of the Meghreb, and the Nile Valley in Egypt and Sudan. It stretches from the Red Sea in the east, Mediterranean Sea in the north, to the Atlantic Ocean in the west, where the landscape gradually changes from desert to coastal plains. To the south, it is bounded by the Sahel, a belt of semi-arid tropical savanna around the Niger River Valley and the Sudan regions and sub-Saharan Africa. Sahel. Sahel means border or margin. Sahel is the semi-arid tropical savanna region. It lies between the Sahara Desert in the north and savanna grassland in the south. It stretches east-west for the distance of 4,000 km and covers an area of 3.0 million square km. It is largest semi-arid belt of barren, sandy, and rocky land. This region marks the physical and cultural transition between the more fertile tropical region in the south and desert in the north. The Sahel is endowed with great potential for renewable energy and silts atop some of the largest aquifers on the continent. Potentially one of the richest regions in the world with abundant human, cultural, and natural resources. Sahel, Arabic Sahel, semi-arid region of western and north central Africa, extending from Senegal eastward to Sudan. It forms transitional zone between the arid Sahara Desert to the north and the belt of humid savannas to the south. Savanna. Tropical dry grassland with scattered trees are known as savanna. It is located near the equator and covers almost half of the area of Africa. This is grassland found in the region just north and south of rainforest that lie along the equator. Trees are main features of landscape and some parts of the savanna, while tall grass covers the other areas. Animals of many species graze in this zone. The Serengeti Plain, one of the most largest plain in savanna. This is called as open air zoo. The African savanna ecosystem is a tropical grassland with warm temperatures year round and with highest seasonal rainfall in the summer. The savanna is characterized by grasses and small dispersed trees and do not form closed canopy allowing sunlight to reach the ground. South Africa's savanna covering almost half of the country. Many tourists visit South Africa to see the famous African savanna. Thank you, students.